Standing outside the Cardinal LE by Forest River. This is a new one for me. I haven't seen the Cardinal.
Yeah, so Cardinal's more of a luxury brand.
Okay.
The LEs are more like your mid-level.
Okay.
Right, so they're trying to hit all price points from really high-end to mid-level. This is 366. It's going to feature a 3 slide outs, right? You got 2 slide outs in the rear living room. You'll have a slide up in your bedroom.
Okay.
You're going to have big storage.
There's a lot of storage. I saw this.
It's really tall, right?
Yeah.
So you've got, and they finish it off nicely. You know, you get like a nice material here, so you don't have to worry about if it gets wet. It's not going to rot and stuff like that. It is all aluminum frame construction, so it's a better quality. It's extended season, so you know it's got the underbelly armor underneath their individual panels. So instead of having just one piece of sheet of material, you could take off individual panels. Makes it easy for maintenance and stuff like that.
Good. And storage like this, I can see like you run to Walmart and get yourself a couple totes or a handful of totes. Like you can really organize and get a lot of stuff into this because it's so high. You can pack, depending on the size of totes, you can stack quite a few totes in here and still have a lot of space.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think it's just controlling your organization and you know, getting the most out of the space that you have to work with.
Yep. And then you've got 2 power awnings on this model, right? So you got you got basically your whole length of the unit is going to be covered with awning. TV can come out here, hook right up. It's got your outside kitchen. So you've got your refrigerator. It's got the nicer countertop, which is like almost like an aluminum material that's not going to split up and rot on you.
What's in the box? Is that a griddle or a?
Yeah. So here is a bracket. That griddle slides right onto there, and then basically you can cook, and you've got everything you need right here to cook outside.
Love it. Love it.
Then you also have got a 2-inch receiver on the back of here. So, you know, if you got a bike rack or something like that, you can slide right on. Backup camera prep as well.
All right.
Ready to hit the inside?
Yeah, let's go inside and take a look. I'm kind of excited. Like I said, I haven't been inside a Cardinal before. It smells new in here. Yeah, it smells good. All right, I already love the colors, the dark and the light contrasting.
Yeah, they go really well together. I mean, awesome layout, right? So you got plenty of space. It's a wide open concept. You've got theater seating. You've got a trifold sofa that comes out to a bed. All your seating's directly right across from your TV, your entertainment, fireplace. So that's really convenient to have as well. You got your glass right here, so if you got Roku, I mean any type of different devices you got can go right there as well. And then you've got, let me look at this real quick here.
Is there storage back there?
Yeah, I believe you've got.
Oh, look at that!
Just lifts right up.
That's awesome. I haven't seen. Holy moly! Look at all that storage.
So you got access from not only this side, but also from your dinette side, right?
Yeah.
So you've got storage where you can get it to that side, but then also you got all this extra storage.
Sheesh.
Really utilized the space, didn't they?
Yeah. That's crazy. I never would have known that was back there because it's on this. I'm used to the TV sliding out.
That's right. Yep.
Yeah, that's
right in place.
That's cool. Storage above.
Yep.
USB on either end of the couch.
Yep, with 110 plugs.
Yeah.
And as you come in, big pantry.
Yeah.
Right, you got 2 pantries in this model. One here.
Oh yeah, and one down here.
And one all the way down there.
You can get all your food in this thing.
Yep.
Island right here in the middle with all that counter space.
Yep, undermount stainless steel sink. Big residential microwave, oven, 3-burner cooktop, and again a residential refrigerator. That's really nice. And then almost like another little prep station right there behind you as well.
Yeah. Like they got the little sign here. Coffee bar, just
Coffee
in case
bar.
you want to put a coffee bar there.
Crock pots, everything you've got.
I don't think this comes with it. This is just decoration to make it look good. But
yeah.
Very good idea. You put a coffee bar right there.
Yep, and you got your own little light right there, and then this is the light for your pantry.
Okay.
So you can turn off and on. You've got a pantry light. A lot of them don't have that. And then your freestanding dinette has a leaf that comes up, so it gives you more space. And you notice that they're no carpet, no shag carpet. Again, they went with the hybrid carpeting. They're all starting to do it.
Yeah. Daniel was just mentioning on on the chat that he really likes the fact that there's no carpet there. This one looks good. I mean, they've all looked good, but this one blends very well. Like
Couldn't even tell, could you?
It took me a second. I dig that a lot. Yeah, that's very cool. All right, so we head up to the, on the way to the bathroom, we've got
another closet right there. Shirt closet, right?
Yep, absolutely. And then
your bathroom will be right there on your left.
Bathroom is right here. We'll hit that. Let me take a look at it. Yep, that's a bathroom. We'll hit that on the way back out so we can jump in here first.
Yep, go to your front bedroom.
Yep. You've got your big walk-in closet that I'm assuming. Yep, there it is.
Washer and dryer prep.
Yep, right back here. But,
and you can stand up in there, right?
Oh,
pretty much.
Yeah.
Plenty of storage hanging. You can put a washer and dryer and still have, it's got the cutouts for shoes and different stuff like that.
I love that it's got two bars over here to hang from.
Yeah.
You're not wasting space underneath. You can hang, one on top of the other.
I like the backlighting they did at the headboard.
See, there it is, right there. Yeah, the headboard looks cool with the lighting behind it. Yeah, but you can sit there and watch TV right here. Plenty of storage at the foot of the bed.
Yep, you got storage underneath, and then you got storage all in the dressers right here as you come walking in. And then this is another place to sit. If you're getting ready, you want to put your shoes on or something in the morning, you got still a place to sit down right here as well.
Yeah. Something I noticed out there, I pointed out in here, I dig this.
Oh, like the rustic, like rustic wood.
It's just the little things, but that's rough feeling, and like in a good way. Like that feels cool. I like the rustic.
And the barn doors, they got more like a barn door type. The theme just all goes and blends really well together, doesn't it?
Yeah. So you jumping in the bathroom back there?
Yeah, I'm gonna show them the bathroom because the bathroom's awesome. So you notice as you come in, you've got two sinks, his and her sink, plenty of storage down below, nice mirror, and then it's got a really big stand-up shower with a seat, foot flush toilet. I mean, this bathroom's awesome.
Yeah.
Right? I'm 6'5", I can stand up in here fully, no problem. They still do give you a cutout here to give you even more head clearance. I think that's one of the big pluses. A lot of people like this because this layout's really popular, but most of them don't have two sinks.
Okay.
Which is nice when you're both trying to get ready in the morning.
I love that. And a lot of space. This is the first I'm seeing a lot of space in between to keep all your stuff.
Absolutely.
You're not fighting with the missus because she's taking up most of the counter space, or you're taking up most of the counter space. Yeah. So there you go. A very nice fifth wheel. We've got so many fifth wheels. We have somebody asking a question. What's that, Tim? He's talking to me in my ear. The question is, he's getting it right now, sorry. But while he's getting that question to me, you can go to rvwholesalers.com and you can build your own. So you can get into something like this and say, you know what, I want to change the color and start,
if you want to order it, basically, like you can choose from the available options. So they may have two furniture colors. They may have different options. You can't come in and say, I want to move the fridge here to there, something like that. That's not an option, but you've got available options to choose from because we can always do that for you too. So,
and so the question is, they're asking about the I don't know if it was on this one or one we talked about before, underneath with the different panels for all weather. What's the difference between all weather and year round?
Well, so all weather and year round, in my opinion, there's no true year round, right? Okay. There's the same thing, except for you're always going to have to get some type of skirting. In Ohio, if you're in December and it's going to be below freezing for 5 days at a time, you're going to have to put some type of skirting. You're probably going to have to get some heat tapes for water lines. You're going to have to do some stuff aftermarket. It's not like you're just going to come and you're not going to have anything that'll be able to freeze up on you without doing that aftermarket. So don't get confused on that. A lot of people get confused. They says 4 seasons. Nothing's 4 seasons without doing some type of skirting and everything. So
awesome. And so like and that's if you're using it during the winter.
Sure.
Like there's stuff you do going into winter. If you're not going to use it through the winter, stuff you do like draining the water, getting rid of the water. And
you blow out or run antifreeze through all the lines. So you winterize your unit when you're not using it. Some people, more and more, it's getting more popular where people are using them full time.
Okay.
Most people do that down south, so it's not a big deal. But if you're up in cold weather, you can do that. But obviously, you're going to need to put some type of skirting and stuff. People are still doing it all the time. It's just you got to do some skirting and stuff like that.
Okay. Tim, say that again. All right. So yeah, we great sales going on today. So get hold of us. We would love to get you into the RV of your dreams.